Welcome back to ICT Trading Concept. How are you all? I believe that you can hear me perfectly. Let me know. Okay, let me know if you can hear me. Pulled back 15 minutes sound video is good. Thank you, brother. Everything is good. Uh, I will just take one entry to my live account. If it works, okay. Am I live or not? I guess I'm live. Yeah, I'm live. If I get one, I will take one trade. If it works, perfect. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna change to paper money. And there is a good news for everyone. I'm going to uh, finish live trading. So I will never do the live trade, I guess, from this week. This is the last day. I'm going to trade my real money. Okay. So from next week, I'm not going to trade anymore. At least not until I'm in Portugal. At least until then, I am not going to trade to my real money anymore. And I believe that this session is going to be my last session in my life for live trade. Okay, but I will be here. I believe that every time I will be here with paper money. Okay, this is my life, my rules, whatever. I don't know what do you think about me or something like that, but yeah, this is a situation where I don't have any bias, but basically I'm bearish. I would love to see some kind of bear run. Market should fall. That's my expectation. There is news around 10, so I will wait until the 10 a.m. news. And yeah, by the way, this is not my real money, real account. This is the small account, 50K account. I have $4,200 over here. Last time I took some losses, so I didn't mitigate my loss. I was in my real account around the morning session. My perfect setup, I was near about $1,100 profit. Then it turns and give me near about $1,100 loss. Okay, when the electricity come back, I was already in $1,100 loss. So I was unable to close the stop loss. It reversed, hit my stop loss, then keep going higher, and I took a huge loss over there. I'm waiting just for 10 a.m. news, and from 15 minutes chart, just look over here. What do you see? Market went higher. That today's new day opening gap. This is today's new day opening gap. Went lower exactly to the constant encroachment of that new day opening gap. That new day opening gap. Okay, here and here. Then market went higher one more time. Right now it's trading the last parallel gap from 15 minutes chart. If market can go through this new day opening gap, then this last parallel gap from hourly chart will be my target. So the range will be for 35 handle. So I will try to catch some move for that 35 handle. If market keep, if this last parallel gap from 15-minute chart keep respecting, I'm bearish for longer hand. Yeah, I'm bearish. Okay, so this is the news candle. I will see if I get anything over there or not. I can't open the stream, bro. What is CE? CE means constant encroachment, the 50% of any kind of parallel gap. What is your best interest? We support your decision. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, brother. Nicolo, good morning, brother. Me and Toke Sevlu. Okay. It's okay now. WTF. I'll be here with my paper money, but yeah, real money, I'm done. I'm fed up with this trading. Okay, I'm really fed up. The reason is, I mean, I'm from a religion. That religion doesn't support this idea. Okay, so I know it's a controversial thing. Maybe some of you will say that no, brother, trading is not haram or something like that. But personally, I have found that it's not halal because of the levers. Okay, let me just clear my concept. It's not halal. The reason is there is leverage. So leverage is not halal. And yeah, I'm kind of what to say. But yeah, I am done with this money. I'm done. I will. Why I did tell you that when I will be in Portugal, I can start again. The reason is I don't know about the situation in Portugal. If I don't find any kind of job or if I have to survive, then maybe I will come back, because if you are in a problem, then there is no rules. Okay, so in that type of situation I can trade. Otherwise, I'm not interested at all for trading real money. Trade, take the money and give it to the poor people. Don't use it. It's haram, brother. I don't know you are Muslim or not, Dio, but if you are Muslim, you know that you can't earn money in a wrong way. I don't I mean Even if your intention is good, still it's haram. I'm not telling that it's haram. In my research, it's haram. So I can't do that either. By the way, I don't think so, guys. You need this, right? If I even trade paper money, it's the same thing. So I don't care about the new people. If they think that okay, this guy is a paper trader, I'm okay with that. But whoever with me for so long, you guys know that it's the same. When I trade through my paper money and the real money, it's same for me. Okay, I only just read the price. That's all. If I find out something, I go for that. If I don't get anything, then I don't trade. That's all. So yeah, I believe that you guys will understand that. Okay, this penguin is happy to take the money. Oh man, oh man, you give it to poor people. I'm poor. Okay, Brian Price, thanks for the penguin, man. Just don't look at the price action over here. Okay, to that 1 minute chart, look the price here to my left. Here is the 15-minute chart. Just look the price over here. Whatever you can see, just look over here. What is it doing? Okay, do you think trading money is bad money? Eli, as I told, okay, because of the leverage, it's not halal. Regarding our religion, I'm Muslim, alhamdulillah. So according to our religion, leverage is not halal. Okay, I don't know about the bad money or good money. It's not halal. That's all, brother. I don't understand how trading would be haram because of the leverage, brother. Leverage means, any kind of leverage is haram. Any kind of leverage, it's haram. So if it easier to understand or not. But I'm not trying to influence anyone by my research. If you are a religious person, you can research it by yourself. Okay, I mean, if you are Muslim, then you can do it by yourself. I'm not telling anyone to do anything. All I'm doing, this is the result of my research. That's all, brother. Okay, don't get me wrong. We know that you are the wizard. Hey, bro, how are you, man? Since we are in simulated and not real environment, don't know if haram or not, but real future is haram for sure, as I know. Yeah, it's haram. The real future is haram as well, but this one is also haram because you are using the levers. Okay, see this money. This is the real price of this one contract here, 7,808.25 dollars. Okay, so right now the price of this contract over here, that is the real price. But when I'm trading, I'm just using maybe very small amount of money, and the leverage is doing the rest. So it's not halal. Okay, that's my research. I mean, I'm not trying to influence any of you, so please don't get me wrong. That's true, leverage not allowed. Absolutely, brother. Lever, not lever, it's leverage. Okay, I am sorry because of my pronunciation. LNB777, I'm sorry for that. It's leverage, not lever. Trading money is not bad money, but you have to put a big part on doing good. The school. Oh, leverage, yeah, absolutely, brother. Some people looking at it different way. You are not trading your money, you are trading funding company's money, and you are paid for your performance. You are a freelancer, and they took the leverage. It doesn't matter, brother. Okay, for example, if I give you an example, like, I'm not gonna kill anyone, but I'm paying you some money to kill someone. That doesn't mean I'm innocent. Okay, if you understand or not, this can be the best example according to this situation. I'm not killing anyone, but I'm just giving money someone else to kill someone. That means he's the killer, he's the guilty, he's the real culprit. No, he's not. I'm the real culprit. Okay, so both of us are the same. I mean, we both are same. Okay, but do your due diligence. Yeah, man. Thanks for that. Good evening, youthful. How are you, brother? So from next week, you will never see me with my real money. I'm sorry for that, but yeah, that's all. If anyone want to unsubscribe, you can unsubscribe. Just look over here. I don't have any buy side liquidity. I don't have any sell side liquidity. I have nothing. Okay. So I'm in a situation where I really don't have anything to do. So रवि भाई आप बैंक निफ्टी ट्रेड करते हो क्या? If you don't want it, transfer it to me. What do if I give it to you, are you sure that you are going to be a profitable trader? If you are sure, then why you can't make I mean, another one? If you don't know how to trade, then it's not going to help you, right? So first, make sure that you know how to trade. That's the most important thing. If you know that, trust me, it's gonna be very easy for you to trade. Well, that was nice. Well, here dollar index is bullish. Dollar index is extremely bullish. Okay, and Nasdaq is also bullish. Both of them are bull. What can I do? Water feel. I love this sound. It's a great target. Okay, I got 400 point move yesterday. Congratulations, Ravi Shutar. Youthful bro, you asking me? Okay, DSL today very hard day. I have no reading one market. Okay, haha. Some days are really gonna be very hard. If it could tap over there, I would take a buy. But yeah, I don't have any opportunity to take the buy. I didn't have any opportunity. So yeah, this is what it is. CVMS happened, but there is no fair value gap. Then after it, we get a breaker block. Then we can trade on that. No, we can't. If there is a market structure shift and no fair value gap, that entry is not valid. If you are looking for breaker block, then you don't need the market structure shift. So breaker block doesn't need the market structure shift. But if you look for the market structure shift, then you have to have some fair value gap to take your entry. It's forbidden. You can't just deny these rules. I'm bearish, okay? I'm not bullish. I'm bearish. I believe that market will fall. That's my belief. Now, in my Twitter, I tweet that today's bias is London will be bullish, New York will be bearish. But I got that London was bearish, and now New York is bullish. Absolutely that different. I mean, opposite way. But yeah, I will see. As I told, if market can break this new day opening gap, I'll look for a buy until this fair value gap. So I don't think so it's gonna make another setup. The reason is the real setup it has made over there. So setup has done. It can reach until that fair value gap from hourly chart, last fair value gap. Then I will see if it fall or not. Only buy. It's heading for 1 hour fair value gap and daily fair value gap above. It can be, brother. By the way, what about yesterday's entry? Remember this entry? uh, yeah, I guess it was here. Remember, if you are with me in my Twitter, you have seen that. That was, sorry, all the liquidity has taken. Perfect market structure shift, fair value gap. I know it's highly risky, but just think one contract, just one contract. Put your stop loss below this week or below the 50% of that week. It's up to you. And you can target this high. That's enough. Yeah, you can target this high. Okay. So that was the entry from yesterday. How was that? Let me know. Bro, today new day opening up is needed. It's less than 10 handle. It was near about 8 handle. Okay, so 8 handle is okay, not bad. 8 handle is not bad, but I just don't need the constant encroachment. I just need the new day opening up. That's all. That's why I just marked it. Was a bad idea. 30 handle is not bad. 17988 buy side liquidity. Okay. I just keep it because I put my stop loss just below the constant encroachment. I want to see that if it was a good idea or not. Even if I would put it over there, I would be stopped out. So that was a good idea, not a bad idea. I just took a small losses. Okay. Good morning, Lord of the Stars. Did you see the launch macro yesterday to buy side? Yeah, brother, I have seen that. It was awesome, man. You'll go to the fair value gap. You trade funded account today? Yeah, brother. And a disaster day for me. I lost and close it with quick scalp, break even and thinking not touch the market today. It's gonna be a difficult market, I told you. But yeah, still I'm allowed to take $1,000 loss to my small account. Just 13 handle. See, still I have near about 37 handle. I'll try catch something. How much you risk for 5k dollar? 5k dollar? I never trade 5k, so I don't know, brother. Hey T2 and ICT traders. Hey Glenn, how are you, brother? Do you trade demo account or evil? Here is this trades. Right now I'm in my express account. I'm in the small account, 50k account, okay? Not 150k because in my 150k I have already got 1100 loss and I told that why it happened. Now I don't need to publish them, but yeah, I published it. Yeah, this is the account. I mean, first I took this entry. You can see it was very, it was a very nice trade. Okay, I was near about $1,100. Then there is a load shedding happened, and I just customized this limit. My winning trade turns into my losing trade. It just came lower, and I just everything messed up. Okay, so in my real account, I got $1,100, something that loss. So here is 50k account. So yep. Load shedding, man. It kills me. It kills me. Sometimes it kills me. Waiting for that 1 minute travel gap to have marked out looks good to me. Okay. I think you were talking about this one. Re-entry opportunities were at 952 to 954. 952, 954. Okay. Well, on your live account, since you don't want to trade it or take the money, bluff, double step, go 15 contract and make 50 to 60k blow their mind and let your name show on the screen. Dear soul, there is a problem. If I thought like that way. Okay, I will try to my small account over here, but in my big account it's a huge money. Okay, I don't want to blow them. So what I will do, I will actually cash them out, and I don't know what I will do. Okay, maybe if I get any opportunity, then I will donate all of them to Philistine. I will do it. Okay, I'm not telling you that I will do it, but I will try to do it. Okay, that's my intention right now. But in my small account, 50k, yeah, I will do gamble. Before just before closing everything, I will gamble this small account. And right now I'm absolutely unable to withdraw the money. I saw that last time Tanja withdraw some money, and that's why her name on the leaderboard or something like that, with some other guys as well, with $600 profit or something like that. I am unable to withdraw the money. So if it is needed to prove that the profit, yeah, I can do it. I mean, I have to maybe withdraw some others account, some money, not all of them. Some of them I can withdraw to others account, not in my account, in Bangladeshi account. I have to do it if you need the proof. Otherwise, I will keep it like that way. And when I'll be in Portugal, maybe I will be able to show you the payout check or something like that. Okay, the way they show their payout request or something. Yeah, something that. If you have the belief, then I will do that when I'll be in Portugal, because in that case I will be able to withdraw my money in my account. Right now I am unable to do that. Yeah, or if I will try, brother, I will try, but I don't know how to donate, or is there any legit way to donate or not? I don't know. Okay, so if I find out any kind of opportunity, I will donate them over there, all of them. Okay, I didn't use not even a single dollar from 2022 until now. I didn't use not even a single dollar earning from this trading. Okay, I am a chart addicted. That's why I trade, but not for earning money. And I don't know how do you say that, but to be honest, my father left enough for me, okay, to for living. Not huge, not small. It's enough for me to live. So I don't need to earn money from trading. If I just do any kind of job, and if I can earn little money from there, I'll be okay with that. I'll be happy for forever. I don't use the money. I have used near about 140K, but that one actually I was bound to use that. Okay, I mean I had no other option. That's why I used them. I don't know how to explain these things. I'm Palestine. I can connect you to some charity organization, and you can arrange with them. If you can do it, just send me the link or something to my Twitter, okay, brother? If you can do it, plus please do that for me. Okay, there's so many organization, brother. Do research. If anyone has the link or something, just give me the link to my Twitter, because I'm really a noob outside of this chart. I have no idea what is happening in this world. No, nothing. Okay, no idea at all. So if you just give me some kind of link, that will be a great help for me. Okay, thank you, man. Thanks for that. What do you work? I don't work right now. I'm in Bangladesh. I'm just wasting my father's money. That's all. I'm not. Oh man, the very long. Ah, I wanted to short over there. It's a huge long. My mind is telling me to add one more, but I have a loss. So I don't want to make my loss huge. And if it doesn't work, this is my last entry. So I will just change my real money to the paper money again. If it is a loss, okay. So I will take two losses in a row, and then I will change it to paper money. I'm not gonna add one more. Okay. Market should not close above the breakaway gap. It should not close above the breakaway gap. That's the rules for this thing. Even if it went little higher, no problem, but it should not close above the consonant cosment of that breakaway gap. By the way, beforehand I told that today's market is too messy. Okay, so yeah, maybe it will hit my stop loss. I just be a person on hourly chart. If I trade, I will keep losing from this market. Should I trade here? Okay, I told that beforehand, and yeah, I will be able to take two loss in a row. So you can see 400 near about something. My maximum loss limit is $1,000 for this account. I can't take more than $1,000 loss for this account. Okay, so yep, if I get heated over there, simply I will be unable to trade anymore to this small account. Then I have to change it to my real account, but I don't want to trade to my real account anymore. And all of this price action is not good for me today. Okay, yesterday I was very much confident, but today, yeah, I'm not confident. I think it will hit my stop loss, I guess. I will see this candle close. If it close, okay, it closed at the level of the breakaway gap, constant cosment. So far, I'm good. Until now, I'm good. Okay. I mean, now paper money, no real money, nothing. I tried to, but nobody worked perfectly. It didn't. It just random reversal from a random area. There is nothing. Market should have taken that sell side liquidity at least and trade any of this parabolic up over there. It didn't do that. Just reverse from there. Stop me out. I got stopped out. I'm done. Okay. Only buy today until PM. Okay, Minato. It can be, brother. I thought I saw this market structure shift when I parabolic up over there. I thought that it will tap over there, then it will take the sell side liquidity. At least this sell side liquidity will be taken. That was my intention. Overall, market can reach until that last parabolic from hourly chart. It can reach over here. If you go to your hourly chart, I don't know what do you see from here, but I see nothing. Nothing at all. Price just take the sell side liquidity, take the buy side liquidity. That's all. There is no buy side liquidity left, no sell side liquidity at all. I have nothing over there. So in my opinion, this is the situation where if I keep trading, I will keep losing. Okay, I will just keep losing because market is not going to give me the any kind of anything. Okay, no perfect target, nothing like that. So yep, that's all. That's why I'm not interested. And I told you that I will keep losing over here. I told that beforehand, okay? Here. I just tweeted that 1 hour ago. PXN from hourly chart. If I trade, I will keep losing from this market. Should I trade here? Okay, that was my tweet. So for your kind information, okay? If it was another day, then this would be the what to say? I mean the BPR. That means that entry was a perfect entry. I don't know it will work today or not. But if it was another day, normal day, okay, some kind of day where market was working perfectly, like something like this, I could go for this with confidently. But today, so far, I have nothing, man. No sell side liquidity, no buy side liquidity, nothing at all. How can I trade in this situation? Yeah, I tried over there. I thought that market will reach until that sell side liquidity at least, but it didn't. When it broke below this new day opening gap, it should reach to the liquidity. That's the rules. It works most of the time. Today didn't work. When it went higher, didn't fail to trade this parallel gap. That was the breakaway gap. It should work from with this order block. It didn't work with that order block. Reversed from a random area. Now, this is what it is. Even if it works, I will say just if I took that entry, I would be lucky. I would be lucky. That's all because I'm not seeing anything at all. If there is no liquidity, there is no trade for me. At the same time, dollar index was going higher. Just look over here. Look at this run. Okay, this chart. This is hourly chart for dollar index. Dollar is expanding higher. When dollar is expanding higher, what should NQM do? It should keep falling, right? It should keep falling. But look what is this guy is doing. This is also going higher. When both of them are going to the same direction, you should expect some kind of high resistance liquidity run. This is called high resistance liquidity run. That means market is not going to give you some kind of smooth move like yesterday. Yesterday's move was so clean, something like that. But today we are not getting this. All of these things are related. I mean, if you see from here, all of these things are related. I don't need this BPR right now. This is going higher. This guy is going higher as well. So for me, it's a low probability condition. I told you beforehand that this trade, I mean the trade in this market, highly risky. You don't have any direction, you don't have any bias. I don't care about any other people, whoever, whatever they told, anything. I don't care about them. I don't see any bias for this market. No bias at all for me. Okay. What happened? Jackie, I expected that NQ will not follow DXY and will follow take a stock, but even MSFT and Google are pulling back, and we may see pullback in NQ. Uh, Jackie, the main theme, okay? I'm telling you, okay, in this week until Thursday, did I ever see you that this is not a perfect condition to trade? But here in this area, it's highly risky to trade, okay? I mean, even if I try to trade, I believe that I will keep losing. Nothing is working perfectly. Nothing at all. Yeah, you can gamble something like that. I took buy, I take sell. Now I will take buy again. If it doesn't work, then I will took sell again. If I keep doing that, maybe either I will blow my account or I will get some profit, because which one is going to work, I don't know. So in my opinion, this is a highly risky market where nothing is precise. I don't need to see any other market. I can just see this dollar index. It is expanding higher. This guy is also expanding higher. When both of them are going at the same direction, the high resistance liquidity run is accepted. Okay, this is going to happen. So there's no other way. Okay. Romeo's turtle soup. I don't know how to trade turtle soups. Is that turtle soup, man? Dear soul, I love you, brother. Thank you for loving me, dear. I love you, man. For me, I want short until market comes close to 18K. Okay. Yes, it's nothing really different, but it's just a better explanation because he only trade that. You don't have to buy his course. Just do what I just said and backtest at least 1 year of data. What is that, Riot? IC trading concepts. Are you married? No, I'm not married, Japan. I never married in my life. Why, brother? Why did you ask me that? Just look, it came very near to that hourly fair value gap, then a big run toward the sell side liquidity. And in this type of situation, forget about this chart. Just forget about this chart. Even if you look at this chart, what do you see over here? Market went lower around the news time, went higher, keep going lower, went higher so far. Okay, it's a huge retracement. Went lower perfectly, went higher, retrace, take the liquidity, went higher, retrace, went higher, retrace, went higher, retrace, went higher, retrace, something like that, right? But if you'd love to take the entry, for example, if you want to take this entry, okay, to that fair value gap, so you want to take that entry to that fair value gap, where should be your stop loss? Your stop loss should be maybe below this. It's still 21 handle. If you see it, you have to at least cover 28 handle, at least 28 handle if you want to be a profitable trader, or if you want to catch this move, 91 handle move or something. Now for me 28 handle is more than enough and it's huge. Okay, I just can't do that. That's why I'm telling you is high resistance liquidity. And just look over here. Don't think I'm just gonna remove it. Look over here. Is it clean? Absolutely not, brother. Absolutely not. It's not clean. Just market has taken this buy side liquidity. It has taken all of this sell side liquidity. No buy side liquidity left, no sell side liquidity left. Where should it go? I don't know. It should reach here, but if it failed to reach over there before that, if it went lower, take this sell side liquidity, I have nothing to do. Okay. After effect, it's really easy to tell that, brother, there was the entry. Okay. For example, look over here. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. I will take that entry over there. So I'm gonna talking here, okay, that entry, and I'm gonna put my stop loss below this low, right? You should put it below this low, 42 handle. Are you would love to, do you really want to take that 42 handle stop loss? If you take one mini contract, it's near about $800. No, brother, I would love to put it below here because I know market is not going to go below. What happened over there? Market structure shift, price went much more lower. Market structure shift, trade this fair value gap maybe for one handle, something like that, went higher. Now here, this was the entry around 933. I wasn't here, so I didn't see all of these things because you can see market perfectly came to the constant encroachment of the new day opening gap, went higher, perfect market structure shift, fair value gap, even didn't trade for three handle. Okay, if even if I was here, I wouldn't take that entry. I'm sorry. Even if I was here, I wouldn't take that entry. That buy I wouldn't take. Market went higher, something like that. Now market is just tap over there, went very near to that hourly fair value gap. Now it's falling again. High resistance liquidity run. I'm not. Oh, by the way, there is a member. Who is that guy? Dear soul, congratulations, brother. You are now a member. Don't forget to give me the penguin, okay? And the whole chat box is yours now. Stop Peter Henry now, okay? Buy your penguin. Thank you, man. 10:50 to 11:10 macro is coming. I'm looking at the 4 hours CB, at run liquidity. That's cool, man. No problem. There is a lot of penguin now. Just make sure that my whole chat box is full of penguin. By the way, guys, did I get any likes? No, I didn't get any likes. There is only 38 likes. I'm not gonna talk. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop talking, okay? I am going to stop talking. Brother, it is working perfectly. If you would take that BPR entry, you could be a profitable trader over there. Absolutely gambling. Absolutely lucky. If it hit that low, I would be absolutely lucky guy, okay? Not kind of thing that it is working with the price action. No, man. Not working in my opinion. The price action is bullshit right now. Just bullshit price action. That's all. As I told that I'm bearish, so yeah, I will start to look for some kind of sell setup. Now I have little sell side liquidity around that area, though it's not reliable because this is from 1 minute chart, but I don't have any other opportunity except this sell side liquidity. I don't have anything else. So yeah, I will try the next catch toward that sell side liquidity. Jack T, thank you, man. Dio, thank you. What happened to Riot and Gupta, brother? I'm really confused now, okay? You can't stop talking. Yeah, I'm sorry. Should I stop? Should I stop? I'm gonna stop because people didn't give me the likes. I love likes. Okay, the member is gone. Dear soul, you are now older, okay? You are no more new. So you are already older because your membership has gone already from the chat box. You can stop talking. I can't stop talking. I'm going to, okay, it tap to this hourly 5 lookup low. Do I have any price action over here? Just what do you see, brother? Yesterday you saw the price action, right? And today you are also seeing the price action. What do you see over here? Is it really clean? I don't think so. Yes, I'm now penguin real. No more fake penguin. Yeah, I can see, bro. Bro, why are there so many spikes in there? Is there any news? We had a news around 10. We had a news around 8:30. I guess we don't have any other news because of the yesterday's earning. See this earning, and guys, if you remember, I told that I will look for sell side liquidity if market go above that new day opening gap. I don't know you remember or not. If market go above that new day opening gap, I will start to look for buy. Yesterday, okay. So in my Twitter, I have uploaded this. Uh, oh, by the way, at the morning first trade, I took that trade. It just tapped to my stop loss to the break even, then went higher. Oh man, that was awesome. So over here, that was my first trade from yesterday PM session. It worked perfectly, okay, if you watch that one. And I told that this PM session is for them who is confused how to change bias. If you were with me in my morning session live, I was bearish. I told if market can go above the new day opening gap, I'll be bullish. This is how I trade. I want to trade the same way, okay. Then I outlined that on. I told that it's a funny picture, okay, and this is the next picture of that entry here. And finally, you know what happened to the earnings. Because of the earnings, market is absolutely mental right now. It's absolutely mental, okay. Don't think this is a cute price action. There is a lot of opportunity to buy and sell. Trust me, man. There is no opportunity until now. I didn't see anything until now to take buy or sell. Still, I tried 2 times and I got stopped out. It punished me, okay. So near about $1,000 loss in my small account. I won't be able to trade in my small account today for anymore, and I don't want to put my real money, that means 150k account money, into the risk. As this is my last day, I'm gonna complete my session with some losses, okay, and I'm not going to mitigate my loss. I am not sure. It will depend on the lunch hour. If I get something in lunch hour, then I will mitigate it. Otherwise, I'm done for live trading. Maybe for forever. Maybe for forever. Live trading is done. Strict trader, fake penguin. Okay, now I got another one with the fake penguin. Don't call me crazy, but we tapped to 1 minute last Fabrica from Wednesday 17 April 10:50 and rejected twice. You are a crazy guy. Absolutely, you are a crazy guy. Absolutely, you are a crazy guy. You came this far to mark the last Fabrica from 1 minute chart. Oh man, you have a lot of potential, man. Lot of potential. To be honest, man. What a reaction. That was a nice reaction. So I want to ask something. The fair value gap and POI formed during news hour are valid or not? I guess they are weakest. The news candle is actually the see this candle. We see this as a gap. Okay, I mean this candle, this fair value gap, anything is not important according to ICT. Okay, not according to me. The way ICT told, he doesn't see the high. He doesn't look at the low around the news hour. So news candle is most of the time it's the fake candle. You can use this candle in either way, but yeah, he doesn't look at this candle. Yeah, you are right in that type of situation. Absolutely, you are right. Jack T, we are broken. So finally, it has reached to hourly fair value gap. This is the hourly last fair value gap. There is no other fair value gap above that fair value gap. There is no other fair value gap. So if market really would love to go lower, this is the last line. It should not break that line. If market really would love to go lower, if it keep going higher until this area, that was my target, though I didn't get anything. Like still dollar index is extremely bullish. You can see it's extremely bullish dollar index, and this NQM is also bullish. Is this a high probability area to trade? Absolutely not. But brother, I can trade this area, so I am gonna trade. Please go for that. But this is today is not a high probable day to trade. If anyone will trade this day, and if you take one trade, it's a profitable entry, close your chart. If you didn't trade, don't trade. That's my advice, okay? Not a good time to trade. 124 people are watching. If I don't get 100 likes, I'm gonna mute. I'm going to mute, okay? Even if you just leave me, I'm gonna mute my mouth. I will just watch it if I don't get 100 likes, okay? Because 124 people are watching. If you don't like it, you should not be here. Either way, right? If you don't give me the thumbs up, that means the like thumbs up, you should not be here. And if you really don't like the streaming, you should not be here. Either way, you should not be here. So either push the like button or just let me let me be quiet. I'm gonna quiet until 100 likes, to be honest. This guy has what to say. I mean, they are just unbelievable. Okay, they don't want to give me the likes. If you don't like it, then why you are here, man? You should not be here. You should not be here, man. I think the like button is not available on their YouTube interface. Is it really possible? Oh man, I didn't know that. I'm sorry for that. Any trades today? Today is a very good day to trade, man. Please don't trade, okay? Until now, it's look like bullish as market went above the new day opening gap and it has broken the last fair value gap. So far, it's bullish, but still, I'm not convinced by the price action that it's bullish. I'm not convinced, okay? Stephen, I just got 83 likes, brother. I don't know what Peter, Ryan, what you are going to do. Can I make something like only the no, I can't do it. It's a public place, so anyone can join. Yeah, anyone can join. I should have done the private mentorship or something like that. Over there, you have to pay, then you would. I mean, here, like is free. You are not allowed, I mean, you are not interested to give me the likes, but the private mentorship over there, I would get money, I would get likes, I would get everything over there, right? I should have done that. Unfortunately, I just promised that I will never do that. So I'm unable to do that. Otherwise, obviously, when I would do that. If you gain something new today, consider joining T2 YouTube live streaming support members and coffee appreciation. Thank you, Stephen. Yeah, I got one. Dio Soul. I got him for the real penguin. Minato, fake penguin. Okay. Hey, bro. How are you, brother? Everything is cool, man. If you're finding value in today's stream, please show your support by like the stream. Yeah, man. Just like my stream. That's all I want. Nothing else. Okay. Just nothing else. Look over here from 15-minute chart. This last parallel gap from hourly chart. Just look over here. Okay. From 1-minute chart, it's a very nice buy situation, but from 15-minute chart, still I can see that last parallel gap from hourly chart is respecting. So over here, it's respecting. Okay, so yeah, I will see how it reacts around that area. Muhammad Dawi, not convinced. Not convinced. If they don't like, then we will do members only stream. Can I do that? I will do that then. Dhirendhanu 15-minute MSS plus 2 consecutive 15-minute fair gap 2 BPR. How can I find key level to avoid fake MSS 1 minute? Dhirendhanu, the reason is I am unable to answer your question from this particular situation. I am not seeing anything good over here. Nothing at all. Okay, so for me, this is a market situation where I don't see any kind of setup, any kind of precision. I am seeing nothing at all. Okay, so I can't give you answer. If you asked me that question yesterday, I would be able to give you the answer. But here in this price action, I'm unable to do that. For example, if this low could take this relatively equal lows, I could make a buy setup around that area. I could make a buy setup around that area when it was above the new day opening gap. It didn't take the sell side liquidity. Just look over here. This is the extreme one. Took the sell side liquidity, tapped to the new day opening gap, then it started to going higher. Without taking the liquidity, it kept going higher. Okay, I forced market to give me a setup over there. And when this parallel gap didn't trade, I framed my trade when it was above the new day opening gap. From this order block, it didn't work. It went lower, not even this particular fair value gap. Instead of that, it went here, just around this area, then went higher, come back again to this BPR, this candle low, that candle high. I told that even if it works, I would be lucky. If I took that entry, I would be lucky. Okay, if that was another day, I could easily press my button over there. Depending on that BPR, I could easily press my button over there. You don't need to think that this is BPR. This is called the inversion fair value gap as well. I mean, this fair value gap is called the inversion fair value gap as well. Either way, BPR or inversion fair value gap, this worked perfectly. But as the price actions like today, I wasn't interested to push my button over there because I got stopped out 2 times before here. It didn't give me the precision. Right now, what I'm thinking nothing. I have no opportunity to think something. Like over here, this 15-minute fair value gap, 15-minute chart is showing me that this last fair value gap is respecting. That means it's holding the price for the sell side liquidity. That was my bias for today. I was looking for sell. From 1 minute chart, no setup yet, but still it's look like market is going to fall. Am I confident? No, I'm not confident, brother, at all. I'm not confident at all because I have seen what market is doing from the beginning. So here, just look at the price action. After effect, it's very easy to say that market went higher. It's very easy to say that. If you want to mark the setup, just go for that. You want to mark this one, you would love to take this entry over there, no problem. Where should be your stop loss? Below this low. 44 handle. Is it realistic? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Then market has given you another market structure shift fair value gap. You want to trade over there, stop loss should be below this low, at least below this low. The perfect is below that low, but at least you have to put a stop loss below this low. 42 handle. Is it realistic? Absolutely not. Then market went lower. Here you have nothing at all. You have nothing at all. Rather, there is a market structure shift. Yeah, there is a market structure shift, no fair value gap, so no entry. Then here I got another market structure shift. Do you really believe that this fair value gap is going to work and market is going higher? I don't know, maybe you are thinking like that way, but I don't think like that way. Now it is falling, my bias is bearish. Should I take a sell? I am not interested to take a sell over here. If market can go below this new day opening gap, then I will start to look for a sell. Until then I am not interested to look for a sell. So far I can see the last fair value gap hold the price. It hold the price. It should break the new day opening gap. If it can break the new day opening gap, where will be my target? There is no sell side liquidity. This low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. I believe it's true. It's from 1 minute chart. 1 minute sell side liquidity can't be your target. Can't be your target. There has to have some sell side liquidity at least from 15-minute chart. At least from 15-minute chart. If there is no 15-minute sell side liquidity, you are directionless. There is no direction for trading. For example, if this fair value gap was broken, then I had this buy side liquidity that was very clean. So I could frame my trade when market was above this last fair value gap. I could frame a buy setup toward that buy side liquidity. I don't need to hold it until that buy side liquidity. Maybe I will take 20, 30, 40 handle, something like that. But over here, you don't have any sell side liquidity. Though my bias is bearish, I am expecting bear run. Still, I don't have any opportunity to trade. The reason is there is no sell side liquidity. Guys, this is the part of trading. If you want to force, you can force every single time. Okay, every single time you can gamble. Maybe you will take this entry, that entry. Maybe this entry will be stopped out, then that entry. Again, you will take that entry. You can keep taking entry. Taking entry, you just need to push your button. That's all you need. If you want to take entry, just push your button. That's all. But if you want to read the price action, you need something. What do you need first? If you remember, long before I told that when you will open your chart, what should you look for the first time? From 15-minute chart, liquidity. Do you see any liquidity over here? What is liquidity? Relatively equal highs, relatively equal lows. There is no other liquidity I like to mark because I don't get the precision from there. Today, do I have any kind of liquidity? No, I didn't have any kind of liquidity, brother. But yesterday you told that market you were bullish. Why you frame the trade when market was above this new day opening gap? What was that new day opening gap? Here, when market was above that new day opening gap, you told that you will be bullish. Why you will be bullish? There was also no liquidity from 15-minute chart. Let's see this high, sorry, that high. Let me mark it. Just look that high and that high. What is that? Wasn't it clean liquidity when market went above this new day opening gap? Okay, this is the new day opening gap. Don't be confused by these two blue line. That blue line is the daily fair value gap. Okay, let me remove it from my chart because there is lot of lines over there. You will be confused. When market, I told in the morning session, if market can close above this new day opening gap, I will be bullish. So when I was bullish, I had that buy side liquidity. I had a direction. If market doesn't want to go higher, if it would love to go lower, I had this sell side liquidity. Look at this low and that low from 15-minute chart. This is relatively equal lows. If market was fail, I mean if market wanted to go lower, that sell side liquidity could be the target. That could be the target. That means I had at least a direction. Now look over here for today. Just look at this price action. Where is your buy side liquidity? Where is your sell side liquidity? Mark them for me. Brother, here you have this sell side liquidity. Do you have this type of huge news? Even just mark it from new day opening gap to here. Okay. It is near about 288 handle. Now I would love to mark from last fair value gap to here. Do you think 561 handle is going to deliver today without any news or anything? Like yesterday we had an earning, right? So something like that. We had an earning, so we got that earning run over there. You don't need to take that earning run. There had another opportunity to trade around that area when market was above this new day opening gap. Okay, just look over here. There was that entry. I took it to my Twitter. If you just come to my Twitter, I took that entry over there. Look, that was the same entry. Just look around this area. This is the same area. This is the daily, sorry, hourly breaker block over there. Hourly breaker block. That was the trade until that relatively equal highs from 1 minute chart. I don't need to hold my trade until that huge buy side liquidity. I am happy if market can take that buy side liquidity. Okay, so market gave me that run. Then later it has made the earning setup over there and it worked perfectly. I am not interested to show you this setup, but here this was a perfect entry. Why I took that entry? The reason is I had the sell side liquidity and I had the buy side liquidity yesterday. Do I have anything today? Can you mark any buy side liquidity from 15 minute chart today? So the first rule you have to do is you have to mark the liquidity. Without liquidity, no direction, no direction, no trade. I can guess that market should go lower. That is my bias, can be my bias. But if I want to trade, I need liquidity. Just look, is there any liquidity? Do you see any liquidity? All of this consolidation has taken. No liquidity left. Market went higher, take all of this liquidity. All the liquidity has taken already. So let market to build liquidity first. If it can build the liquidity, maybe today you are not going to take any entry. What you are going to lose? You are not going to lose $1,000 like me. Before I had no intention to come live. I came live, I lose money. Price action from hourly chart. If I trade, I will keep losing from this market. Should I trade there here? 2 hours ago, I just tweeted that beforehand. Just look over here. Was there any setup, any kind of price action do you see over there? Nothing. Where market can go? Can you guess? Yeah, we can guess it will reach until that last favorable gap. Last favorable gap can be our target? Absolutely not. If there is no buy side liquidity, absolutely not. Then why market reach over here? Yeah, there was a buy side liquidity from hourly chart, and as market can reverse from a random level, that's why market has to reach at least until that last favorable gap. It can't reverse from a random level. That's why market reach to that last favorable gap. I believe that market will fall now, but I will look for, I mean, look for the price action when market will close below this new day opening gap. If it can't close below this new day opening gap, I'll keep bullish. I'll be bullish until that buy side liquidity. If market can close above this last favorable gap, I will start to look for buy toward that buy side liquidity. Yeah, if it can close above this last favorable gap, then there can be an opportunity for buying, not for selling, for buying. But brother, that is deep premium. I don't care. I don't care. I don't trade depending on premium and discount, and I don't know how to mark the deep premium and discount. That's why I don't like optimal trade entry. Most of the people doesn't know how to mark the dealing range. I don't know as well, so I don't see the premium and discount. Instead of that, yeah, ICT told that to trade, I mean trade depending on that premium discount. ICT knows how to mark premium and discount. Okay, some of you also know how to mark premium and discount. If you know, please go for that. If you don't know, don't use the premium and discount. It sounds pretty easy, right? Sell when it is in premium, buy when it is in discount. If that was so much easy like that, everyone was would be the profitable trader, right? Every single person would be the profitable trader. Yeah, I didn't try to learn that premium and discount because I don't need it. Why did you lose then today? I lost it because I knew beforehand that I'm going to lose. Man, I told that beforehand. Should I trade here? I will keep losing from this market. I know that beforehand. If you know that beforehand that you will keep losing because market is not precise, that is also being right, you know. I mean, you are right in that case as well. Don't believe me? Trust me, man. That is trade. Trading is to what is trading? Trading is only to know when you should trade and when you should not trade. That's called trading. There is nothing else. No price action, no psychology, nothing. You have to know when you should trade, when you should not trade. But brother, you told that psychology is most important part of trading. Everything comes one after another. First thing first, you should know when you should trade. If you don't know that, you are just gambling. I knew that this is not my market to trade because I don't have the liquidity, I don't have the direction. Without direction, if I just give you a boat and I just leave you in the middle of the sea without any direction, without any compass, where will you go? Tell me that, brother. Where will you go? This is the sea. This is the sea, okay? And this is the boat. See this price moving? This is the boat. You are driving this boat. No market maker, no one. No one is driving this boat. You are driving this boat. Which way you are going to drive it? Buy, sell, sideways. There are just three directions. If you drive your boat toward the low, okay, but your destination is over here. Have you ever reached to your? Can you ever reach to your destination, man? I believe so. You will reach over there because lot of people will come later and they told that there was a very nice setup. I told you this is not even a trade, not even a trade. Where there is 42 handle stop loss, it's not even a trade. If any of them show you that they took that entry, like something like this, I took that entry, my stop loss was just here, and I catch some move, 70 handle. Either they're the gambler or they just want to show off you, okay? Most of the people will show you their profitable trade, just profitable trade. I have tweeted this minus $1122. Do I need it to show you this? Oh man, some of you will think, okay, this guy is losing money. $1100 he lose after even showing this one. Just after showing this trade where I had near about $950 profit, it turns into 11. Though it's for load shedding, but even if I take loss, I put it to my Twitter. I put it to my Twitter. Okay, this is for load shedding today. I agree with you, but not every day I lose for load shedding. I lose for my trading. Yeah, right. I keep showing this to you. Why I keep doing this, man? Every single person I can see in Twitter, YouTube, they're showing you their profitable trader. Every trade they post, all of them are profitable. All of them are profitable. I will just I will take 3 express account, 5 combine account. Okay. Then I will take a loss trade over there. It is a loss. Then I will change my account. I will take another trade in another account. That is also a loss. Another account, that is a profitable trader. I will take the screenshot, put it over there by showing the execution. Okay, this is the paper money. Yeah, paper money. Just a second. And just a second. Okay. And buy, close. Now here I just think this is my real account. Okay. So here I'm showing you I took 2 entry that both of them are lost. So what I will do, I will just change my, guys, I don't have anything to do right now, so I'm waiting. Okay, so I'm just waiting to get some kind of precision. Still you can see last parabolic gap is holding the price and the new day opening gap is holding the price. Price is range bound in these two area. Either it has to break this last parabolic gap or it has to break this new day opening gap, either for short or for long. Okay, so that's why I'm telling bullshit things. If you don't like it, you can leave it. I told that today's market is not for trading. I believe that. So if you wanna force, you can force it. I don't care about that. When I took this loss over there, I will change my trade account. Okay, in this account, just for example, This is my another maybe combine account, or maybe my another express account. Okay, and in this account I saw another setup. So I did, I just took a buy, just okay, and then I will come here. Okay, I will come here, see my profit. I will take a screenshot, I'll put it to my Twitter. So you will never see me losing. What do you think? Okay, this guy is showing the execution. This guy is showing the execution. There is no other execution. No other execution. So he took that one entry. He's profitable. Tomorrow I will come back. I will show you same thing. Another winning trade. Another winning trade. Another winning trade. You will never see the losing trade, man. What will happen to you? Unintentionally, you will start to think losing trade is kind of a curse. I can't take losing trade. I have to take winning trade every single time. It will break you. You are done of for trading. You will never be a profitable trader. You will never be a profitable trader, man. This is a mind game. This trading is just a mind game. No price action, nothing. Just a mind game. When you will seeing a guy, for example me, T2, just T2, okay, T2 is showing you every single day winning trade, every single day in his Twitter, all of them are winning trade. Here, this is a winning trade. Okay, that was a break even. I don't need to show you this break even. I don't need to show you this break even. Why I showed it to you? I got break even over there. This is my this is my real money, man. I don't care about any of you. What do you think? Here, yeah, I was very happy because I took that on. When I showed you to you, right, this entry, I am already in $950 profit. Do I need to show you this after this huge profit or something? Man, this is paper money. No, it's the real money. Do I really need to show you this? I don't need to show you this. But why I'm showing it to you? The reason is I don't want you, or I don't you to think this T2 is a market wizard. He never take the losing trade. If you can show me one guy who doesn't take the losing trade, I will never trade. I will never come back in front of my chart. But still, you will keep seeing the winning trade only. Winning trade, just winning trade, just winning trade, just winning trade. It will make you blind, man. Trust me. It will make you blind to think that okay, I am not going to take any entry, not intentionally, unintentionally. You will never notice that when you have built that type of intention in, I mean, that type of thinking inside of you, that you are not going to take any loss. When you will take a loss, you will blow your mind. I will take another trade. Why I move my real money to paper money? Why I moved it? Because I know if I keep there, if I stay there, I will take another trade. Maybe I would push that button over there. Yeah, it worked, but maybe just think it didn't work. It will hit my stop loss. What I have done, I have taken many losses over there. That's why I moved my real money to paper money, because I took two losses. Am I ashamed of that? No, I'm not ashamed, because I knew that I will keep losing money over there. I will keep, man, I know nothing about the price action. Okay, whatever I know in my knowledge, I know that this is not a perfect price action. For example, right now, what do you think? Market is going to fall, or it is going to go higher? What do you think? It's very easy to tell that market went higher. Okay, I knew that beforehand. Market is coming until that area. It's very easy to tell after effect. Tell me now, where is your entry? Where is your setup? Just tell me now. It's hard. Okay, before price action, it's hard. Don't build that type of motivation inside of you that I'm not going to take any losing trade. And learn from everyone, man. I'm not telling that, brother, you have to stay with me. You have to stay with me. No, man, I don't need you. I don't know to whom, but one guy actually commented to my Twitter, and I told him, brother, Just learn something, stop following me. I don't need you to follow me for forever. I want you to be profitable. That's all I want. I don't need you to follow me for forever. So try to learn from anyone, man. Jackie, I'm not telling this for kind of someone is blaming me or something like that. Okay, it's important. Okay, it's important. It's extremely important. And when I have nothing to do, just look at the price action over here. I have nothing to do, so I need to talk about this. When I'm giving my example, I'm unable to tell some few other people's name. I'm unable to tell the name. Okay, because in my Twitter, if you see, I just follow two guys. One is top step, another one is inner circle trader. Okay, the inner circle trader, I just follow these two guys. But when I'm in my home page, I saw a lot of people upload their entries. Okay, upload their entries on that area. I keep seeing them. Every single day. They are putting their winning trade over there, and when I keep seeing them intentionally, I think like, how can they be so perfect every single day? It made my thinking very, I mean, I feel confidenceless. Even I feel confidenceless. I don't feel confident, man. So I'm not talking about this thing because someone is blaming me or not. Something not like, yes, if someone blaming me, I feel hurt, but I don't care. I know what I know. I don't need to prove anyone to that. If you don't like me, any of you, if you don't like me, just leave me. I don't need anyone. Even if there is just one guy, I'll keep doing this. No one, yeah, I'll quit then. Why I am telling you this? The reason is, if you want to follow someone, just try to learn from them. Just try to learn from them the price action, not their trade. Don't look at their trade. Don't feel like you will be one day like him. Don't feel like that way, okay? One day I will be like ICT. I never think like that way. What do I think? I will never be like ICT, not even near to him. The reason is he is the father of this concept. So, guys, for your kind information, until price break this new day opening gap, I mean, until it reach below this new day opening gap, I'm not looking for any kind of sell. Okay. So for your kind information, right now price is stuck into this last favorable gap and the new day opening gap. Price is inside of this range. I don't know market is going to take that buy side liquidity or it will go lower. So if it wants to go lower, it will break the new day opening gap. If it would love to go higher, then it will break this last favorable gap. Okay. So this is either way I will work. If it keep going lower, that is my bias. I was bearish for today, and you can see I was perfectly wrong. Market went higher exactly opposite of my direction without any setup so far, in my opinion. But still, I'm bearish. I'm not thinking that market will go higher. If market can break that last favorable gap, I will go for buy. Now here is the part. As I'm bearish, if market break this new opening gap and there is a setup, I'm not going to take that entry. The reason is I don't have any liquidity. Though my bias is bearish, if I see market break that last favorable gap above here, then I will look for buy entry because I have the buy side liquidity. Though it's against my bias, I will go for that buy entry. Okay. So I mean, what to say? Is it understandable or not? Right now price is stuck between last favorable gap and new day opening gap. When I will see something, I will start to talk about the price action. Until then, let me talk about this thing. Whatever I'm telling you, I know it's very bullshit things. When I will keep telling you this, if you believe me or not, it's gonna knock in your head. Whenever you will take a losing trade, it will knock your head. One guy told me that it's nothing. One losing trade is nothing. I have to count 20 trades. If I am a loser of 20, all of the 20 trades, I should practice more and more. If I get maybe 10 losing trade out of 10, sorry 20, and 10 winning trade out of 20, I'm ready to start live trading. I'm ready to start live trading. I'm repeating this line one more time. Out of 20 trade, if you take 20 losing trade, you are not ready to trade. You have to practice more. Out of 20 trade, even if you lose 11 trade but 9 winning trade, you are ready to trade your live money. Out of 20 trades, if you lose 11 trade and still manage 9 winning trade, you are ready to trade real money. You don't need to be right your winning percentage for 50% at all. All you have to do is, when you will trade, keep your target as small as you can. I mean, not as small, I'm sorry for that, like as obvious as you can. Okay, I mean, you see this relatively equal lows over there and over here. What should be your target? This relatively equal lows will be your target. For example, you took this entry over here. Okay, I'm not just telling this is a setup. For example, you took this entry and you saw there is the relatively equal lows here. Don't target that huge thing. Instead of that, you saw there is a relatively equal loss. So you can do two type of things. First, you can take a partial. If you have the way or chance, take the partial, put your stop loss to the break even. If you don't have the option, close your trade here. Just close it. If it is more than, I mean, don't even look at the handle. Just close it, because this is the obvious trade. I mean, obvious area, right? So this is two type of situation. If you can do that, start your live trade. I am going to take the guarantee of your profitability. I am going to, if you lose, I will pay you the money, but you have to show me every single of your trade, why you took that entry. If you follow the rules, everything is cool. If you don't be so greedy, you will never be a loser. I told you that if you lose 11 trade, you will never lose 11 trade. Maximum out of 20 trade, maximum you will lose 6 trade only, if you follow everything I told you. If you don't force the market, if you look for the perfect market structure shape, fair gap, immediate reaction, and there is the buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity, if you go for just for that trade, just for that trade, out of 20 you will maximum, you will meet 6 losing trade, maximum 6 losing trade. All you have to do, open 15-minute chart, 1-minute chart. From 15-minute chart, first you have to look for the liquidity. Fair look at the way I explained. Okay, I have already explained. So I will take the guarantee, man. What do you need? If you lose, I promise you, man, I never break my promise. I will give you the money, whatever it will cost, I will give it to you. You will never lose if you don't over leverage it. If you just follow everything I told in, I guess, in Monday, just if you just follow that. Trading is, it's not so hard, man, but because of our this social media, this Twitter, YouTube, it made it so hard, because everyone is showing you the winning trade. Intentionally, unintentionally, what should I think? There is Peter, there is what is the LA, Miguel Jr., MD Man Pigeons, Nicolo Bruno, Jack T, LA, I mean Ryan, all of them are showing their winning trade every single day. Even they are showing their execution. There is no other execution, just one execution, and that is the winning trade. Oh man, all of them are winner every single day. Yeah, very rare, maybe 1 week one time they took one losing trade. But when I'm trading, most of the days I'm taking losing trade. Out of 5 days, I am getting 3 days winning trade, 2 days losing trade. Yeah, I have a very strong psychology, so I'm not blowing my account. Still I'm profitable, but I'm taking two losing trade. That means I know nothing. I need to learn more. I need to learn more. You don't need to learn more. You have to change your thinking. Yesterday, did I outline some trades that worked perfectly? Absolutely. The day before yesterday? Absolutely. In my life and my Twitter. Monday? Absolutely. Yeah, I was wrong at the beginning of my direction. Later, when it started to go either my direction, or if I when I got confirmed that market is going now higher, my direction was wrong. Like yesterday, I told that when market will close above that new day opening gap, I will be bullish. So something like happened. Then I took entry. Was that profitable? Absolutely. Did I take any losing trade? Absolutely. How much was the losing trade? In Monday, if you remember, I took 7 trades. Out of 7 trades, there was one losing trade. Don't believe me? Go to my YouTube sorry, the Twitter. Check it from Monday. Tuesday, lot of winning trade, 2 losing trade. Wednesday, Thursday, perfect. Everything was perfect. Today, I took two losing trade. Oh man, you were trading paper money. I don't care about paper money. I showed you the winning trade in my real money as well. Today is not good. Even in this bad price action, I managed to catch this run around 7 a.m. This run, I managed to catch that run. Here, this is the 7 a.m. I mean, I don't know. See this 7, if you can see, this is 7 a.m. Kill zone. Just I managed this trade and the perfect way. I don't know how perfect it can be. Okay, over there. What was my target? I actually forgot. 17769. 17769. Where is 17769? 17769. Here. Yeah, I guess to that high. That was my target over there. 2 contract entry. Let me show you. 2 contract entry. Okay, that was my feeling until there. 35 handle. Do I need to catch that 35 handle? Absolutely not. Yeah, I tried. I mean, I just catch one. What to say? I mean, one partial when market just reversed. Something like that happened. I mean, it's not showing over there because I just took a screenshot. When it went lower and then went higher of that high, I took a partial. I put the one contract over there. Around that time, when I just put my contract over there, the last contract or the closing trade target profit, I moved my stop loss over there before closing my 2 contract. Okay, I mean, just what to say, uh, how to explain that? I have already taken one partial, so I have to make one over there, right? You can see two. So I have to just make one it over there. I forgot that. I forgot that to make it one, and then when I come back, it's a huge loss over there, $1,100, something like that. That's my bad luck. Sorry, I didn't take the partial around there. No, I didn't take the partial. My mistake. It missed my target for one handle or two handle, something like that. I was unable to take the partial as well. I'm sorry for that. Yeah, I didn't take any partial around that area as well. When I came back, I saw I'm already in a great loss. I mean, near about some $1,100 loss or something like that. That was bad. Okay, that was really bad. Let's see if it can break the last favorable gap or not. That's why I told that I'm not interested to take sell. The reason is new day opening gap. Where price came, new day opening gap high, going higher. Can I frame a buy setup over there? Should not. You should not frame a buy setup over there. Isn't it a very nice setup? It's not a bad setup. Absolutely a very nice setup. Market has taken all of this liquidity, failed to take that low. Market structure shift, first favorable gap or the entry favorable gap, last favorable gap or the breakaway gap. So here you have to cover the breakaway gap, constant encroachment, and you can target until this high, maybe until that high. I don't know where you should not go for that trade. The reason is market didn't break the last fair value gap yet. Look over here. It didn't break the last fair value gap yet. Like the way it didn't break the new day opening gap. But brother, if I miss that trade, for example, you are already in the market, okay? Just for think. You are already in the market. If it worked and I missed that trade, you can miss that trade, man. You can miss that trade. But it's not logical to push your button around that area because you don't know this last fair value gap is going to hold it or not. It seems like you can feel like okay, it is going higher for that buy sell liquidity. It seems like that, right? Absolutely seems like that. Then when can we trade? When you will get the confirmation if market can go above this hourly fair value gap, then it gave you this type of setup, you go for the trade then. Not every day you are going to see this type of situation. Today we are seeing this situation. We should not trade. We should not trade, okay? I'm sorry guys, I didn't read your comment or anything because I was just talking about the bullshit things you see in the what to say, I mean Twitter or social media. Why I put my stop loss over there? I just covered the consequent encroachment of the breakaway gap. This is the breakaway gap. I just covered the consequent encroachment. Why I just covered the consequent encroachment, not the whole breakaway gap? The reason is this is a huge breakaway gap. Huge breakaway gap. Market should not reach until the consequent encroachment at least. It should not reach over there. So if I am wrong, I will be stopped out with a small loss. I don't want to take a huge loss. That is logical. I should work with the logics. Okay, something like that. I know guys you don't like this huge talking, but in my opinion it's really important, extremely important for every single one of you. Just every single one of you, it's huge important. Tito, I lived in USA, came back to Brazil. My favorite team is Brazil for football. Lost my job. I'm sorry for that, brother. I study trading every single day. But I'm becoming a profitable trader right now with you, bro. Just need to say thank you so much. Okay, just I'm not doing this for only for thanks. When you will earn 200K, you have to invite me for the for traveling your country. Okay, so it's not for free. Remember, it's not for free. I am also going to take the money, but not by the mentorship. I'm going to spend money, your money, when I will travel your country. So for that, just earn 200K. That's all, man. Just earn that money. I love to visit your country, man. So it's not free, okay? It's not a free course. Peter, thanks for that penguin, man. LA, lol. Okay, lots of love. Thank you, brother, for giving me lots of love. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. By the way, I got 100 likes. Congratulate me. I got 100 likes, okay? It's a huge like. Loving you is a losing game. Mm. Okay, T2 comment, rob you. Okay, you wanna rob me? Why, man? What I have done wrong? What did I do wrong, man? I didn't do anything wrong. I never do harm to anyone in my life. tickets, five-star hotels, and girls. Peter, I would love to stay in your home, man. You have a very nice home. I mean, very beautiful home. I would love to stay in your home. Why you wanna send me to the hotel, man? You are so selfish. So selfish, man. Was that an immediate reaction? Absolutely immediate reaction. Is this setup valid? Absolutely perfectly valid. Perfectly valid. Should you take it? You should not. Even if, yeah, you can take this entry like macro, right? If you take macro entry, so one contract can be $2. So you are going to lose maybe 16, $26. Just go for that. It's a perfect trade, but the only reason is you don't know this last fair lookup is going to hold the price or not. You don't know that. When you don't know that, you should not trade huge money. আব্বা আমি বাসায়। ও আচ্ছা, না আমি ফোন ছিলাম ফ্রি আছিস না তাই। সমস্যা নেই আব্বা, কালকে দেখা হবে না। ওকে, আই লাভ ইউ, টাটা। Okay, absolutely, bro. Anytime. Thank you. You love that song. Loving you is a losing game. Yep, I love it, man. I really love it. Loving you, loving you is a losing game. It's true. If you love, you lose. I'm just kidding. Who are earned 200K from your country? What should they offer you? Uh, what should they offer me? Perfect. It hit my stop loss. That's why I told that if you want to take this entry, you have to take it from your micro contract. This is not high probability because you don't know this hourly fair cap is going to hold the price or not. But if you ask me, still now I'm seeing this a perfect setup. Lot of factor is working over here. First, last fair gap is not broken. Second, today's price action is not good. Third, this is not an ideal entry from 15-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute chart. It's not an ideal entry from 15-minute chart. Still, I'm thinking this is a perfect entry. Market should expand higher. It's look like that. Look at the rejection from last fabric of consequent endorsement. Is that now understandable why I told you to wait to break this parallel gap? Like if it worked perfectly, it may be here. What did you think? The T2 just told us to wait until breaking this last parallel gap. We are not going to wait for that. We are going to take the entry because it happened over there. So we are going to take that entry. I don't care whatever T2 told us. Brother, you put your stop loss very tight. Yeah, I do it. I agree with you. Let's see if it works or not. Is that high probability? No. Why? Look at the 50-minute chart, last fair gap. What do you see over there? একটু পরে খাবো মা, 5 মিনিট পরে। হুম, আচ্ছা। What is your question? When do you consider the last 15-minute fair value gap broken? Okay, brother. First of all, this is not 15-minute fair value gap. This is hourly fair value gap. If it was the 15-minute fair value gap, I would consider it's broken already. First breakout, fake breakout. Second breakout, confirmed that it's broken. As this is not from 15-minute chart, I have to see it from 5-minute chart, because this is the last fair value gap from hourly chart. So from hourly chart, if you mark your last fair value gap from hourly chart and would love to see it from your lower time frame, you have to come to 5-minute chart. Okay, from 5-minute chart you have to see that is it broken yet or not. If you don't want to wait for from hourly chart broken, then you have to come to 5-minute chart. If this fair value gap was from 15-minute chart, then I would say this is broken already, and I would be confident about this setup. As it is from hourly chart, I can't look the price action from 1-minute chart. Okay, I can't do that. Hourly chart is too far from 1-minute chart. So 1-minute candle doesn't give a shit to hourly fair value gap. For that you need 5-minute fair value, 5-minute chart. And why I talked about 5-minute chart? Just to answer your question, okay, brother? Just to answer your question. How many candles close above on 5-minute? Just look, one candle will close, it can be the fake breakout, right? One candle close, then the very next candle come back again into the fair value gap. It can be the fake breakout. So when you will see another candle close, just one more candle close, like in this type of situation, if it was from 5-minute chart, I would say it's broken already. The last fair value gap is broken already. Is it understandable or not? Let me know. They eat a lot of spices in India. You can buy that. Okay. Oh, the guy who asked me if anyone earn 200K from my country, what I'm going to do? I'm gonna meet with him, and like, as he's from my country, I will tell him, brother, let's go to your cousin. If you have a very, very beautiful woman as a friend, let's meet with them. Okay, let's go, man. It's a party time. I don't remember the name who asked me the question, but yeah, if anyone just passed that challenge, 200K challenge from my country, and if he is able to withdraw the money, okay, that's the most important part. Withdraw the money, then I will just tell him, brother, let's go, man, let's go. If you have a very beautiful friend, woman, I mean girl, friend who are girls, okay, or you have a very beautiful cousin, let's go, man. Yesterday note setup here, you make perfect sense. Thank you, KCJ, for understanding this. That is why I told that wait to break this last fair value gap or this new day opening gap. Either way, when market was falling, I didn't see this as a sell setup, because new day opening gap can hold the price, send it back. The same way, this last fair value gap can hold the price, and I'm not telling that it's going to do that. I would love to see market will go through this fair value gap. I would love to see right now like that way. I want to see, but it can easily hold the price, send it back. When it will send price back, it can break the new day opening gap, then it can keep going lower, right? It's the logical thing. If you would love to, like over here, how do you see the market? You got the market structure shift. When market was over there, what was it looking like? Brother, you told that a swing low, trade a fair value gap, perfect market structure shift, first fair value gap or entry fair value gap, breakaway gap. Let's take sell over there. Every setup is not going to work. You first have to understand what is happening over here. Is it really hard to mark new day opening gap? Is it really hard? I don't think so. Is it really hard to make the mark the last fair value gap? I don't think so. Brother, it's falling now. This is the time to take sell. A perfect market structure shift. Fair value gap. Maybe there will be a fair value gap. Take the sell. Market is falling now. Take the sell. Or maybe here. Here, okay? Market structure shift, fair value gap, trade that fair value gap, market is falling. Take the sell. Bullshit. Any sell setup is not valid until this new day opening gap is broken. Why you are giving priority to the new day opening gap? Because the new day opening gap is the most strongest fair value gap after new week opening gap. Until it's not broken, I'm not bearish. If it's broken, I'm bearish. What did I say you? When it will be broken, I'll be bullish until this last fair value gap. Remember at my beginning I marked this on near about 35 handle. Okay, so see 32 handle exactly. That would be my range. If I get any setup over there, I would go for that. Now finally it set, I mean it worked over there, but before working over there I thought that it will take this sell side liquidity before going higher, but it didn't work like that way because price is not precise. It's broken. Look over here, it's broken. Brother, why you are using this new day opening gap when in hourly fair value gap you told that you need to go to 5 minute chart to see if it's broken or not? Now why you are seeing 1 minute candle to break the highest fair value gap, new day opening gap? Why you are seeing this? Just go to your 1 minute chart, go to the new day opening gap area, you will see the same gap from 1 minute chart, the same gap. So I'm seeing this when I'm in 1 minute chart, I'm seeing this as a 1 minute fair value gap. When I'm in 5 minute chart, 5 minute fair value gap. When I'm in 15 minute chart, this is the 15 minute fair value gap. It's good to wait until the 15 minute candle to break the new day opening gap. It's good, but 1 minute, it's also confirmed. When it is broken, start to look for buy. How long you can look for buy? Until the last fair value gap. When you look for buy, first mark some kind of buy side liquidity. If you have the buy side liquidity, perfect. If you don't have, don't go for that trade. Either you have to have some buy side liquidity or the 1 minute last fair value gap for taking the entry. 1 minute last fair value gap again, not hourly last fair value gap, not 50 minute last fair value gap. These are all rules. I keep telling them. If you don't write it down, you will forget that. I promise you, man, you will forget that. It's not Netflix. What do you think? I keep talking, I keep talking. I love to talk. No, man, I don't love to talk. What I prefer, keep quiet, read the price. I prefer that. But I keep talking bullshit things. The reason is I don't remember the word. I think it's uh, desa or something. I mean something. You keep doing, or keep listening, or keep seeing. You never notice that your eyes or your ears will notice that thing when you will see that. I mean when it will in front of you. What do I mean by that? Like you keep taking, or I mean keep taking the buy from one setup, right? Intentionally or unintentionally, you are just keep taking the buy from one setup. No, sorry, not keep taking the buy. I mean after effect you are just marking. After effect, not before. After effect you keep marking the well-known setup, okay, or the breaker block setup. Just for example, breaker block setup. After effect every single day. How many breaker block you saw, you marked it. Every single day you are doing this. When you will start to look the price, suddenly unintentionally you will start to notice that breaker block. Okay, I don't know what is that word called. That's why I keep saying these bullshit things to all of you guys, because intentionally unintentionally it will knock in your mind. Okay, I should not do this. I should not go for the sell over here. Why? Because market didn't break the new day opening gap. I should not look for sell over there. I should not look for buy over here because market didn't break the last fair value gap. By the way, I can see there is 119 people and I got 107 likes. It's huge, okay? This is the first time I get that much like out of 119 people. It called repetition, brother. Not repetition. It's a Japanese word. I forgot that word, okay? Visa or something like that. Woo. I don't remember, okay? I just don't remember that word. It's a very nice word. I mean, very cute word. When you will keep doing something after effect, you will start to see this before effect. Okay, so that's the thing. It is happy. I'm happy, bro. Still, you are here. Peter, you are also here. Ravi, congratulations. Oh, sorry. Welcome, brother, to my live boring stream. Right now, price is just inside of this two area. Like over here, when market was like this, how does it look like over there? Perfect sell, right? Perfect sell. Look what market started to do. Brother, it will keep going lower. It can keep going lower. It can keep going lower. But is it like this type of move? Just tap, started to boom. Went lower. This is a consolidation. I don't know if there is any good. No, there is no good price action. Now, from 1 minute chart, who is agree with me? This is the bullshit price action. Who is agree with me? This is the 830. This is right now. Who is agree with me? This is the bullshit price action. This is absolutely. This is the absolutely exactly. That's the word. This is the that's the word, man. Yeah, this is the absolutely Ahmed Mustafa. That was that word, man. Oh man. We are your loyal followers. Actually, first of all, I would love to correct you, Buro. You are not my followers. I don't see any of you as my followers. I feel like you are my brothers and sisters, okay? Because there are some girls right now. I mean, now this time I can see some girls as well. So all of you are my brothers and sisters. I care about you, man. So you are not my followers, okay? We aren't going anywhere, Tito. Even if you don't know how to curse when you get mad, lol. Whatever. When I tell that, please don't. I mean, if you don't want to see this, just go away. I don't tell this to all of you guys. I mean, like Peter, then Buro, Ahmed Mustafa, Jack T, then Ryan or Sebastun. I mean, if I miss anyone's name, I'm sorry, but I don't tell this sentence to these guys. Okay, I tell this Sujit, yeah, Sujit also. I actually tell that to the new guys, okay, who are new over here. That if you don't like it, you can leave it because I'm not going to talk about the price action right now, something like that, okay. But I don't tell this to all of you guys because you need the guys with me for so long now, like teamed. I don't know teamed is over here or not. Teamed, yeah, teamed. Uh, what I was trying to say, forgot. Whatever. Brother, how do I reduce my impulsiveness after a loss? Close your chart. Team Viva, just close your chart. After a loss, close your chart for that session. Don't give a shit what is happening over there at your beginning. At your beginning. Just close it. Does anyone know where market is going? Oh, by the way, thank you, Ali, for reminding me that. Okay, how this price action looks like to you? What do you think about this price action? I need all of your comment, brother. All of you. Okay, the guys, at least the members. Okay, you should reply. If you don't reply, just cancel the membership. I don't need your membership. I need your reply. At least you guys will please don't ignore my question. What do you think about this price action? Even after effect, just look every swing. Just look the swing. Okay, don't just randomly answer me. Don't randomly answer me. How do you like this price action? Look at the swing, how it worked. What do you think when you will see the price action? Liquidity taken, market structure shift, fair value gap, trade fair value gap, boom. You will see only this thing, okay? So for example here, liquidity taken, market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. Something like that. You will keep seeing this whole price action. And then tell me, how was that? Okay. Team Via punch the wall, it helps. There is wake, garbage, absolutely. Low probability price action today, absolutely. Dog shit. Peter. Peter, you are just price action. Kevin B, yeah, it's a price action like shit. Yeah, I understand, man. Hopefully more movement in PM action. It can be. I'm not talking about the PM session. I'm just talking about the AM session. Okay, up. Okay, Ahmed Rashid, thank you, brother. We hit 15-minute favorable gap and breaker block, so it can go down. Ali, I didn't ask what is going to happen now. I am just asking what do you think. I told you when I will look for buy, when I will look for sell. If it go below this new opening gap, then only then I will look for sell. If it go above this fair value gap, then only then I'll look for buy. When market was happening, like this thing was happening, it was a very nice setup, right? Now what do you see? What do you see now? Here, it was a very nice run. Oh brother, you missed that run. This is the relatively equal lows, that low and that low. Market is going to take that low. Take the sell, take the sell. But what do you see now? Bullshit. Do you know why? This new day opening gap and the last fair value gap from hourly chart. Market is now deciding, it's deciding where I want to go. Do I need to go lower? Do I need to go higher? I don't know where I should go. I don't have any liquidity. Okay, so yeah, please try to understand. Okay, to the moon, then to zero. Okay, thank you. Lol, market is going to 17943 at least. So that's a different thing. I mean, where market will go, that's a different thing. But just tell me, how do you feel like this price action? Do you feel confident to trade in this type of situation? I'm just giving you an example from here, here, here. Okay, just let me reset because otherwise someone will think that I took that entry. I showed you the sell setup is not valid, the buy setup is not valid here, then the sell setup is not valid again. If you see any buy setup, it's not valid at all. No buy setup is valid at all until this last fair gap is not broken. I'm done with that. I have already repeated that so many times, so I am done with that. But my question is, this is the bullshit price action in my opinion. Now I would love to come here. Why I'm keep showing you? Not to show you that I am the best, I am the market wizard. Not for that. I'm explaining it. Okay. PA price action from hourly chart. That was the price action from hourly chart. If I trade, I will keep losing from the market. Should I trade here? Okay. When I told that, what do I mean by that? That means this is not a market for trade for today. Did I told that beforehand, before even starting the market? I told that before market. Now, why it is important? You have to understand when it is not a good probability way to trade, probable time to trade. You have to learn that beforehand. If you learn that, then you won't get panicked. Okay, I don't care. Market is going higher. I don't care. It's not precise. Mentally, I am fit. How do I know this is going to happen? How do I know this is going to be a bullshit price action? Go to your hourly, sorry, not over there. Go to your hourly chart, minimum hourly chart, so maximum hourly chart, minimum 15-minute chart. From 15-minute chart, you don't need to do this. You don't need to do this. Make it double click over there, here. Okay, this is the whole price action. I mean, around there. This is the whole price action. Can you see any buy side liquidity? What is buy side liquidity? Relatively equal lows, relatively equal highs. Do you see any? No, you don't see any. When you don't see any, don't just think this is going to be a bullshit price action because you don't have any direction. If you're finding value in today's stream, I liking the stream. Your likes helps him reach to wider audience and grow our trading community. Let's spread the word together. Thank you, Ryan. I love you for your honesty. You are cool. I don't know where either. We didn't break the 15-minute mark from above, but no, we didn't break it, brother. If you are talking about this parallel gap, this is not from 15-minute chart. This is from hourly chart, it's not broken yet. Don't mind, bro. I love the entry when market opened with MSS and first fair value gap entry until 1 hour fair value gap. That's was beautiful setup. I didn't mind, Sujit, but thanks for your comment, brother. Don't worry. Absolutely. I guess you are talking about this entry. I showed that this was the only entry I can see in the morning session, though it was not valid for me because market takes too long to reach over here. It's simply it's look like very nice setup, but when you will put this tool, you will understand that it's not a nice setup. If you put your logical stop loss, you have to put it below this low, 45 handle. Okay, at least you have to cover this pair value gap. At least you have to cover this pair value gap and maybe the new day opening gap high. Okay, the new day opening gap high. At least you have to cover. Still, that is 30 handle. Now, if you are trading through micro contract, like one handle is like $2, it's perfect. But as I trade the E-mini, so one handle is like $20 for me. So it's near about $600 for 50k account. $600 stop loss, in my opinion, is not perfect. It's look like very nice, but when you think logically, I don't need to hold it until here. I don't need to hold it until here. Even if it can reach here, I will be able to take 54 handle. Okay, but my stop loss has to be 30 handle. Now, after effect, it's clear that market never reach over there. I'm perfect, but why this stop loss? If it would love to go lower, it can't go below that low. If it go below that low, I'll be stopped out. So for me, 30 handle is huge, but either way, it's up to your trading style. Okay, it's up to your trading style. We are currently at low probability condition right now, especially seeing that we are at equal on the daily time frame. Okay, I think naturality should be the name of the game until we see a clear drawn liquidity. Absolutely, that's my point, Michael. I'm unable to read your first name, but it is Ilias. That's my point, man. If there is no clear drawn liquidity, no trade. I don't care how beautiful the price action is. I don't care how beautiful the setup is. I don't care about anything. If no clear drawn liquidity, no trade. Stephen, if you are gain something new today, consider joining T2 YouTube live streaming, support members, and coffee appreciation. Okay. Sergey Sivas, thanks for that penguin. I am worried because with less than 200 viewers, you miss some comments. What will happen when you have 1k? I asked you something about the hourly and 15-minute fair value gap. We'll post it again. I noticed that you marked recently the hourly fair value gap. You were marking the 15-minute fair value gap before. Why you change and when you will go back to 15-minute fair value gap? Okay, Jack, I already cleared that so many times. So I guess you missed that. Whatever. I'm gonna explain it one more time for you. Don't worry, brother. This is that price leg, okay? Now start to look from here. What do you see? Long wick. Everywhere long wick. Very messy price action. See? If it's broken, this one, I will look the 50-minute last fair value gap. At the same time, if you go to your hourly chart, now from hourly chart, isn't it so obvious last fair value gap over there from hourly chart? Which candle, I mean which time frame is easier to mark to see the clear uh, fair value gap? For me, this last fair value gap from hourly chart is much more cleaner than the 15-minute chart. That's why I marked from hourly chart. I told that beforehand. If you see the messy price action in 15-minute chart, go to your hourly chart. If you see the messy price action from hourly chart, go to your 4-hour chart. If you get something from there, just go to your daily chart. That's all. Okay. I'm sorry for that, Jack T. I missed some comment because I have to do three things all together. First, I have to read the price. Second, I have to read your comment. Third, sometimes I start to give you the reply, some of your questions reply, and then sometimes I keep talking about something I wanted to talk. So yeah, I missed some comment. I don't know, and I will never have that 1K. I believe that if 1K viewers is, can you imagine how much that would be? Huge, man. 946 candle was the best entry. There was no entry, okay, brother. Caesar K, there was no entry. I guess you are talking about here, this candle here. This is pure gambling. Even if you take that entry, that is acceptable, but this entry, depending on that order block, no, I'm sorry, you're right. Depending on that order block, yeah, that's the perfect entry. I'm sorry, brother, but look over here. Just look over here. What happened over here? Market went lower. Take all of this sell side liquidity, right? Previously, market has taken all of this buy side liquidity. Look, all of this buy side liquidity has taken over there. Then market went lower, came to the constant encroachment, went higher one more time, took all of this liquidity. Over here, there is no liquidity left. Around that area, no liquidity left. Then market went lower. Do you think this is a buy setup? Or what do you think about this fair value gap? Look at this fair value gap. What do you think about that fair value gap? Should you look for sell or should you look for buy? Just think logically, practically, because after effect is very easy to understand. But when market was like this way, oh, by the way, I have the replay because I have the plan, so I can use that one. Okay, just think logically. Let me go to the 15-minute chart. This is first 15-minute chart. Okay, market went higher, take all of this liquidity, it came lower. What do you think? How it is looking like? It is going higher or lower? What do you think? Now, if you are in 1-minute chart, market went lower, then went higher. Are you thinking this is the market structure shift or liquidity taken? Even this huge buy side liquidity also taken. See, it's also taken over there. Now, when market came here, are you going to buy from there? After seeing all of this run, market went higher around the news, low, retrace, low, retrace, low. Take the liquidity. Should it go lower or higher? Okay, let me go to the next candle. It came here, right? Maybe you are taking buy. What about this fair value gap? What about this fair value gap, brother? Penguin hungry, bro. I'm gonna close my session, brother. Okay, I'm just going to close my session, but just give me little more time. Just 2 minutes, just 2 more minutes. Is this fair value gap has any value? Let's see. Price came here, went higher, now came here. Are you going to take entry around that area? Are you really going to trade from that area? You're believing this is the order block? I wouldn't. I wouldn't. All I'm seeing this just a bullshit price action. Just a bullshit price action today. Even if you would love to take that entry, I told you that it could be like near about 30 handle stop loss. I'm unable to do that. Take that on. Okay. Okay, no problem. Just trying to enjoy that you know us before you forget us. Once you have a lot of lovers. Oh man, what was that? 15-minute time frame tell us not to trade away from 7 a.m. Better for me not to trade. I was bear as narrative is back to range today. Yeah, that was my expectation as well. Whatever, whoever actually thinking that this is going to fall, look what happened. Market came here. Now maybe for you it's a very small run. If you count it, 24 handle. Okay. So yeah, Peter, no, don't close. This I did. Okay, brother, then congratulations. I mean, maybe you saw that correct way. I didn't see, I mean, I wasn't here. First of all, I wasn't here. Even if I was here, I wouldn't go for that trade. That's all. No market structure shift, brother. I just told that I am not interested to trade anything over there. In my opinion, that was not cool. By the way, I lost a lot of money today. Lot of money. 100, $1,100 I lost because of the load shedding, and 1000 near about $1,000 I lost over here to that price action. Just to show this is a bullshit price action, no precision. That wasn't precise for me. If you compare the price action from yesterday or the whole week, it's bullshit. Okay, for me. Okay, just for me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, Stephen. One entry is like this, brother. I put my stop below the breaker. Dear soul, here, if you would love to, I mean, if you are thinking this is the breaker, I'm not agree with you. Absolutely, I'm not agree with you. If you're thinking this is the breaker, this is not the breaker, in my opinion. Okay, it's not breaker. Instead of this one, if you say this is the breaker, I agree with you. I don't know it worked or not, but if you say this is the breaker, I agree with you. No, it didn't tap over there, but it could be my breaker, but not this one. Breaker has a place to establish. This is not the place for establishing the breaker. Now, for example, where I can show you the breaker, like over here, market high, low, higher, high, right? This is your breaker because high, low, higher, high. This is your breaker. Market went through this low, trade there, boom, went higher. This time it worked. That doesn't mean it is working through the breaker. I am not agree with you at all. This is not my breaker in my opinion. If you say this is breaker, I agree with you. I absolutely agree with you that this is the breaker, because there is some rules that should be made for being a breaker. Okay. Don't close the stream. Thank you, Peter, for telling me that. But yeah, I'm going to close my trade because I'm really so hungry. To be honest, I'm hungry. I need to eat now. And yeah, I don't think so market is going to be working so cool today. Before closing my session, I would love to tell you that if market can break this last fair value gap from hourly chart, if it can break this last fair value gap, this buy side liquidity is going to be my target. If this new day opening gap is broken, then market will go little lower. Okay, my expectation is market will go lower. At the same time, if it would love to go higher, when it will be above this last fair value gap, I will try to find some buy setup. If it break the new day opening gap, went lower, I will not look for any kind of sell because I don't have any sell side liquidity. So I don't have any sell side setup. Though my bias is bearish, I would love to see market will fall. I don't know in my stream who told me that someone told that this is going to be the high of the week. I just told that I don't know what is happening, because if I thought like that way, I would say that way. But that wasn't my expectation, to be honest, that this is going to be the high of the week. Can it be the high of the week? Can it be the high of the week? Absolutely it can, brother. Walaikum salam, Jaber Manijal case. Hello, what you eating? Rice. How do I reach you, bro? You can reach me through my Twitter, bro. Ryan, if you are here, can you please post the link, brother, to the comment box, Ryan? You can reach me through this Twitter. Oh, by the way, there is the Twitter link, brother, on the comment box. Stream Element just post the link. You can connect me through that. link. Next week NQ going to hell. We will see that, okay? Sell it like no one did before. I have very clean sell side liquidity. This low, that low, that low. I have this sell side liquidity around that area. This sell side liquidity. I have lot of thing over there. But we will see, okay? Okay, done. No problem. Thank you, Ryan, for posting the link, Twitter link. If anyone interested to join me through my Twitter, please join me through my Twitter. Okay. I spend most of my time in my Twitter by outlining something, or if I see some setup or anything, I try to post them beforehand. Okay, and yeah, everything. I just do my Twitter. If you want, you can join me through my Twitter. So guys, I'm sorry for disturbing you a lot. Oh, by the way, don't forget to mark this fair value gap from hourly chart. This candle low, that candle high. Don't forget to mark that hourly fair value gap, okay? If market really would love to go higher, this fair value gap is going to hold the price. This specific fair value gap is going to hold the price if really market would love to go higher. If it's going to go lower, it's gonna be broken from hourly chart. So don't forget to mark that hourly fair value gap, please. And I believe that I'm clear with my direction. If market would love to go higher, it has to break this last fair value gap. If market would love to go lower, then it's going to break the new day opening gap. This new day opening gap is going to be broken, then market will go low. If market keep going lower, I'm not gonna frame any trade. The reason is I don't have any sell side liquidity. If market would love to go higher, I will try to frame a buy setup around that area to that buy side liquidity. Today is my last day for trading live money. From the next week, I will just keep doing the paper trade. If any of you doesn't like the paper trading, you can leave me. I have no objection, and I'm not telling this to those people who are with me for so long. I'm telling this to the new people who are with me for maybe 1 week or 2 week. Okay, so yeah, from next week I'm going to start paper trading only. I am done for live trading for my lifetime. I believe in my life I have no plan to trade again to my real money. So guys, thanks for joining my live. If anyone didn't give me the likes, I mean thumbs up, please give me the thumbs up. And if you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, LA Peter is going to give you the reply, I believe so. So I'm going to close my session for today. The guys who are already in my psychological challenge Discord link, I mean Discord group, whoever, get ready. In Sunday or Saturday I will be live over there and I will explain everything over there, whoever are with me in that psychological challenge account. Okay, so yeah, I will be live over there, and before that just I will ask you when everyone will be available. I guess New York local time at 9 a.m. is the best time. I will explain everything, and from Monday we are going to start the psychological challenge. Okay, so